Hello friends, welcome you all. Today in this lecture we are going to discuss the role of micro, small and medium enterprises in Indian economy. In the previous lecture we have studied about the meaning and definition of micro, small and medium enterprises, and also we have seen the old structure of classification of micro, small and medium enterprises and newly structure given by the government of India with the ordinance and with the cabinet approval. So we have in the previous lecture discussed the what is the MSME, what are the futures of MSME, and the old structure of classification of micro, small and medium enterprises, and new structure of micro, small and medium enterprises and their classification. We have also seen the recent initiative taken by the government of India to boost the MSME sector, particularly the to reduce the impact of the coronavirus and COVID-19 situation. Today we are going to discuss the role of MSME in Indian economy since its inception, and with the some kind of data, the contribution in the GDP and other importance also we are going to discuss. In the previous lecture, we were discussing that MSME contribute nearly 8% to the GDP of countries, and around 45% in the manufacturing output, and approximately about 40% of the country's exports. So the MSME are an important sector for the Indian economy and have contributed immensely to the country's socio-economic development. And it is not only generate employment opportunities but also works hand in hand towards the development of the nation in the backward and rural areas. So according to the annual report of the government of India 1819, there are around 6 crores 8 lakh 41 to 45 MSMEs in India. Simple definition we have discussed in the previous lecture that there are two categories: manufacturing enterprises and service enterprises. And the old classification and new classification also we have seen that the old in under the old classification of micro enterprises, there was the 25 lakhs highest limit for the investment, and in case of service enterprises there were 10 lakh rupees maximum investment in these micro enterprises. In case of small enterprises there were 5 crores limitation for the manufacturing enterprises, 5 crores of investment limit, and in case of service sector 2 crore was there. About the medium enterprises, 10 crore was the limitation for the manufacturing enterprises, and for the service enterprises that was 5 crores. In case of revised classification of MSME sector, now that limit extended for micro, and there are two categories made, that is investment category and turnover category. In case of investment, 1 crore is the less than 1 crore investment for the micro, less than 10 crore for small, and less than 20 crore for medium enterprises. And if we consider the turnover criteria, then 5 crore is the limitation for turnover for micro enterprises, 50 crores for small, and 100 crores for medium enterprises. That is, turnover should be less than that limit. So this is the overall classification and meaning of the micro, small and medium enterprises. Now today the main concern of this lecture is to discuss the role of MSME in the Indian economy. Since its formation, the MSME segment has proven to be a highly dynamic for Indian economy, and MSME produce and manufacture a variety of products in Indian economy for both domestic as well as international market, and it also contributes in the export of India also. They have helped promote the growth and development of khadi, village, coir industries, cottage industries, small industries, and given the employment opportunities and helped to increase the standard of living of rural economy. MSME have played an essential role in providing employment opportunities in rural areas. They have collaborated and worked with the concerned ministries, state governments, and stakeholders towards the upbringing of rural areas. They have also helped in the industrialization of these areas with a low capital cost compared to the large industries. Acting as a complementary unit to large sector, the MSME sector has enormously contributed to the socio-economic development of the nation. Uh, we will get the picture after looking the data which I have given in coming slides. MSME also contribute and play an essential role in the country's development in different areas like the requirement of low investment, flexibility in operations, mobility through the locations. Because large industries and large plants cannot be moved easily, they have a large fixed capital investment. But in case of MSME, they can move easily through the locations, and they need low investment, they have flexibility in operations. But in case of fixed investment for large businesses, enterprises, they do not have generally flexibility in the operations. Low rate of imports and high contribution to the domestic production and GDP. With the capacity to develop appropriate local technology, provide fierce competition in domestic and international markets, technology savvy industries contribution towards creating defense materials and generating new entrepreneur by providing knowledge, because any business starts from the small enterprises. So they creates the entrepreneurs, and they provide the knowledge, training and skill upgradation through specialized training centers, etc. The below mentioned data in the next slide we are going to see represent a tabular format, is by the Central Statistical Office CSO and Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation. So we can see in this slide the data given by Central Statistics CSO and Ministry of Statistics. You can see from the 2011 12 to 2016-17, the growth rate of the MSME is from 15% to 9.44%, around double digit. And if you see the share of MSME in gross value added, it is more than 30% in each year, in every year. And if we see the share of MSME in GDP sector, then we can see the share of MSME in the GDP around 30%, or sometimes it is more than 30% from 2011-12 to 2016-17. So you can imagine the importance of MSME sector in Indian economy, that is 30% of GDP is coming from the MSME sector. And we can see the share in the gross value added also more than 30%, and growth rate is also quite impressive. It is sometimes double digit and near to the double digit. So we can see from this slide and from the data itself, that how important MSME sector is in if we consider the GDP, share of GDP in the MSME, share of MSME sectors in the total GDP, and total addition to the gross value, and uh, in the employment also, the MSME have a higher percentage in the providing employment opportunities to unskilled laborers also, and it absorbs the surplus labors from the rural economy and semi-urban areas. MSME sector also works on the local resources also, local raw materials also, and they need less capital also. They use local labor force and unskilled labor force also. So compared to the large industries, and these small cottage industries or MSME industries can be set up at any part of the country, means particularly in the rural areas, so that the concentration of the industries and the migration which is happening in the Indian economy for searching of jobs in metro cities, some kind of checks have created by these MSME sector. Otherwise the picture might have different. So they have important role in the Indian economy. We can see the importance of MSME for the Indian economy. Across the globe, MSME are accepted as a means of economic growth and for promoting equitable development, because large industries absorb require skilled labors, and the disparity also happens in case of the area development. But we can reduce the concentration of industrial sector, and we can reduce the development gap through the development of MSME industries. So MSME, it is considered as a means, or it is an instrument of economic growth and for promoting equitable development. They are known to generate the highest rate of growth in the economy. MSME have driven India to a new height through requirement of low investment, flexible operations, and the capacity to develop appropriate native technology, the home technology. Uh, the MSME sector uses the artisans, arts, then the skill of rural people, and like that. MSME employ around 120 million persons, becoming the second largest employment generating sector after agriculture. So how important this sector is in the providing employment, you can imagine. With approximately 45 lakh units throughout the country, it contributes about 6.11% of GDP from manufacturing, and 24.63% of the GDP from service activities. MSME ministry target to increase its contribution towards GDP by up to 50% by 2025, as India move ahead to become a dollar 5 trillion economy. So government of India and MSME ministry have target to increase its contribution towards GDP by up to 50% by 2025. It is a very ambitious program and targets. It contributing around 45% of overall Indian exports also. You can imagine 45%, nearly half the export is contributed by the MSME sector. MSME promotes all inclusive growth by providing opportunities, especially to people belonging to weaker sections of the society in rural areas, from unskilled sections of the society, from the poor families. Uh, MSME in tier 2 and tier 3 cities help in creating opportunities for people to use banking services and products, which can amount to the final inclusion of the contribution of MSMEs for the economy. Micro, small, and medium enterprises promote innovations by providing an opportunity to budding entrepreneurs to help them build creative products and thereby boost competition in the business and fuel the growth. It boost the growth. The Indian MSME sector provides silent support to the national economy and acts as a defense against global economic shocks and adversities. Hence, we can say that India is propelling towards a robust global economy through a silent revolution powered by the micro, small, and medium enterprises. So friends, that is from my side today. Thanks for watching. If you have any problem, queries, questions, then let me know, and write your name in the comment box. In the next lecture we are going to discuss the schemes and the initiatives taken by the government of India to develop this MSME sector. So today what we have just is introduction of the importance of MSME in the Indian economy, then the classification and definitions of micro, small, and medium enterprises, then the classification of micro, small, and medium enterprises, and we have also discussed the how important role MSME have in the Indian economy. Also, we have discussed the data which is by the Central Statistics Office CSO and Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation. The share of MSME in the GDP we have discussed, then growth rate we have discussed, and finally we were discussing about the importance of the MSME for the Indian economy. So friends, that is for today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lecture.